Hello, birdie. Ay. Hello. Hello. Ay, you got grapes. Okay, I will use this, guys, to put the grapes. This one is already full, this tray. And now I have to fill this other tray. Okay, guys, look at this. It's one full tray of this one. And then the other one is that. Look, guys, look. So there are two trays. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Love, love, love. So beautiful. So this is it now, guys. I left some for the birdies. So the tiny tinies, they can eat that. And there are some there as well, they can eat that too. Oh, there's some more there up there, I cannot reach it, so I think they will eat it. So leave for the birds. It's good to share with the birds. Okay, and there, so now left with these blackberries. See, these are thornless blackberries. So they're still getting ripe, some of them. But some are already ripe and some are dry. Look at that, guys. They are dry. So I put grapes in there because it's fall down, so the birds can eat that. So there are lots more of raspberries, guys, in here. Look at that. There are some more raspberries. We got more fruit this year. I hope next year it will be more than this, because I think last year is not as much as this, so every year it's getting more and more. So look at these flowers. It's amazing. Let's put it as a backdrop. Amazing. Very nice tiny flowers. Oh, there's no smell, but it's so tiny and nice. Cute flowers. So there. That's the grapes there. So look at this, guys. Amazing. It's flowering. It's lilac color. It's like my jumper. Okay, guys, so this is it for today, the harvesting for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.